All right, today is April 29th. I'm gonna share what my idea is going into today. First and foremost, I'm going to go to the daily and I'm gonna take all this stuff off my chart. So what I'm looking at going into today is one, market structure. We have a double bottom almost forming here. Now, on top of that, we're still in a bearish downtrend. And this was a huge move down. But from this right here, I'm thinking that we might be changing direction. So when I go on a 4 hour and I put my charts back up here, and it might be a lot, and I'll make it easy when I tell you what my game plan for today is. You can see this double bottom a lot easier. And also we're breaking this downtrend. We done already broke out of it. For me personally, going on a 5 minute, we held this 508 level from Friday. So if you just want a game plan, this is what I'm looking at. What I would like to see are two things. Either a retest of this line again, this 508 for a bounce up to 511, or for us to break above pre-market highs and go straight to 511 and fall. Now, if we go to 511, we'll see what happens. If we can hold this like retest or break and then hold it and then go again, then we can go to 514. But what my thinking is saying, we're gonna go from 509 straight up to 511, and I will sell my contracts at that point, take the money, or come down here to 508 and then go up, retest 508, go up to 511. Last thing I'm gonna say is this: we do have this gap right here on the daily. Will it get filled today? Maybe not. If it does, then I'll probably will stay out the market. I don't really want to look for puts today. I don't want to look for puts today, in all honesty. We done crossed on the 4 hour, 9 and 21 EMA, 1 hour, 9 and 21 EMA. We're in an uptrend. The daily 9 and 21 EMA, we're still below we're crossing the 21 EMA on the 4 hour. So, and also from this bounce of, let me close this. We've bounced off of this 9 EMA, this 21 EMA on the weekly, and we can get a buy setup if we just open above this high. So opening above this high would be like 508. No, I'm lying. It would be like 509.75, and we already above it. So you could possibly just enter as soon as we go above that. But for me personally, if we go above 509.80, not even 509.80. Let me see what the high of the pre-market is. If we go above 509.90 with strong relative strength, I will take calls straight up to 511. But if not, if we come down, we hold this 508 again, I'll buy calls here and go. Because we bounced off of it here, a little bounce here, and it was resistance at one point, turned into support, came down a little bit on Friday, but I just think this area is a strong area, because if I just go here and this area is strong. So that's my game plan going into today. If you're not really good at coming up with game plans, look at this game plan and maybe paper trade it and see what happens, or see what makes sense or what doesn't make sense to your strategy. But this is what I'm looking at for today. All right, y'all.